Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see a problem on section of square pyramid. Basically, I will be explaining the question, then I will tell how to write the given data. After that, I will be telling how to draw the diagram step by step. If you watch the video fully and follow all the instruction means, it will be very easy for you to understand the problem as well as completely solve the question whatever they gave in your university. So this sum comes under section of solid unit 4 engineering graphics. Previously we have uploaded almost 11 to 12 problems in this particular topic. If you haven't watched means kindly have a glance of all those problems so that it will be very easy for you to understand this. So what they have given is a square pyramid of base side 25 mm. So square pyramid means the base diagram which we are going to draw will be a square. So the square can be drawn in either two ways. See, we can draw the square this way or else we can draw the square by this way. Okay, so two ways are possible. So side is 25 mm and height is 40 mm. Rest on HP. So rest on HP, resting will be on HP. On its base, with base edges equally inclined. See this word? Equally inclined. Underline this word. So equally inclined means only this. We can go with this one. Reason is this is 45 degree and this is 45 degree. This diagram is only equally inclined. So we will be going with only type 2. It is cut by a plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 30 degree to HP. So regarding the cutting plane, it is inclined 30 degree to HP and 21 mm from above the HP. So from the base, okay, 21 mm above HP means from the base for 21 mm we are going to draw a cutting plane for 30 degree with respect to HP. Draw the sectional top view, true shape of the section, that's what they said. So it's very easy. So initially we will be going with this type 2 square. So we will be drawing the square in our HP. Okay, so initially we will be drawing the top view, then front view. Then we will proceed with sectional, then we will proceed how to draw the cutting plane. So listen each and every step carefully and follow accordingly. So the first step is we need to draw the reference line. Draw the reference line horizontally and write it as X, Y, VP, HP. So whatever diagram you are drawing here is your top view. So since they are given the square pyramid, the base diagram will be square, and I gave the explanation for drawing this type of square. So you know how to draw the square. You will be starting, you will be drawing a baseline and you will be drawing for 45 degree and complete the square as you used to do for previous problem. You just complete the square as it is. Since it is square pyramid means we will be having only 4 names. In case if they give square prism means we will be having 8 names. So bottommost surface will be ABCD and topmost is the apex. So name it as ABCD. And topmost center is apex O. So each side will be 25, 25, 25, 25, 25. So whatever diagram we drawn now is your top view. For getting the front view, we are just going to extend all the top view points for getting the front view. So next step, we are going to draw the front view. Extend all the top view points. Keep your scale here. Okay. Keep your scale vertically here so that you can get a point. Keep your scale vertically at D so that you can get this point. Keep your scale vertically at C so that you can get this point. And from this center, see the angle is forming from the center, that is from here, for 40 mm mark O dash. Keep your scale here vertically. For 40 mm we keep a point and mark it as O dash. Just to connect O dash with this point, O dash with this point. Naming I will tell now. When you look from here, you can see A right, so you put A dash. You can see B, but you can't see D. So B dash bracket D dash. You can see C, so C dash. So dimensioning is, this is called extension line. It should be drawn with your 2H pencil. This is called the dimension line. It should be drawn with your H pencil. 40 and arrowhead should be drawn with your HB pencil. Here also same. Extension line 2H, dimension line H, number and arrowhead HB pencil. And writing A, B, C, D and all or A dash, B dash and all, you should write with your HB pencil only. So now next step will be, we will be drawing the cutting plane from the data given from the question. So what they gave regarding the cutting plane is, the cutting plane is passing to the axis 21 mm above the HP. See here, cutting plane 30 degree with respect to HP and 21 mm above the base. So from this point for 21 mm keep a point. With this point as reference and draw a horizontal line, and keeping this point as reference for 30 degree you have to draw a line. So this angle will be 40. See, you have to keep your point here, draw a horizontal line, keep your protector here. This angle should, the line which we drawn, that the cutting plane which you drawn is at an angle of 30 degree. Try to extend the cutting plane till xy and then you can dimension. Here I haven't dimension. Reason is since we are writing the cutting points, it will be confusing. So we can extend the cutting plane and can dimension outside also, or else you can put a horizontal line here and you can also dimension here too. So anyway we can do. Only thing is from the base 21 mm. Keep a point. Keeping this point as reference and take your protractor. For an angle of 30 degree, you can draw the line. This line can be drawn either this way or this way. It's our own wish. If you draw this way means we'll be getting true shape here. If you draw this way means you'll be getting true shape here. That's all. Just follow whatever we did for previous problem. Same thing is for this problem also. See the cutting point. So here one cutting point between O dash and A dash. So 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. 1 dash is for O dash and A dash, 2 dash is for O dash and B dash, 3 dash is for O dash and C dash, 4 dash is for backside O dash and D dash. Now we have just drawn the cutting plane and marked the cutting points. The next step is try to extend all the cutting points to the top view so that we can get the sectional top view. See how we have drawn the cutting true section points for the true shape, sectional top view. See 1 dash is between O dash and A dash, right? Extend 1 dash vertically in such a way that it will be meeting OE at one point. That point is called 1. 2 and 4 I will tell later on. 3 dash is between O dash and C dash. Extend 3 dash vertically in such a way that it will be lying between O and C. So here we got third point. But 2 dash and 4 dash is lying on the axis itself. So it's very difficult to get right. So what you are going to do? Try to extend this point to the nearest slant edge and try to bring it vertically downwards. See, here we are having 2 dash, 4 dash. Extend it vertically. You will be getting a point here. Try to extend the point vertically downwards till OA. After that, what you need to do? Take your compass, measure from here to where you got this. That is the point which you vertically drop, right? From here you draw a horizontal line. From here you draw a vertical line. It will be meeting OA at one point. From here to that point, measure and try to cut an arc above and cut an arc below like this. The white color chalk. Try to cut an arc above and try to cut an arc below so that you can get 2. That is 2 dash is between O dash and B dash. So here you will be getting 2. 4 dash between O dash and D dash. So here you will be getting 4. And later on, try to rub this line. Okay, it will be looking somewhat untidy, right? So once you understood means try to rub it off so that it will be looking good and try to join all the points 1, 2, 3, 4 and do hatching work. Just connect 1, 2, 3, 4. Just connect 1, 2, 3, 4 and then you just join everything with your HB pencil. Do hatching. So hatching you know very well, it's 45 degree and it should be equal spacing so that we got the sectional top view for the diagram. The next step is we need to draw another new reference line. So this reference line should be parallel to the cutting plane. Draw another reference line parallel to cutting plane away from different view so that it should be looking like this and marked as x1 and y1. Now what you are going to do, whatever measurement we got for sectional top view, we just going to mark it for the true section. Take your before that what you need to do is, see, we have 3 cutting points, that is 4 cutting points, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. Extend all the cutting points perpendicularly. If this is the first cutting point, means you have to draw a perpendicular line, 90 degree line. From this point, keep your protractor and draw a perpendicular line. Try to draw away from the diagram. If you draw inside means it won't be looking good. From 2 dash you try to draw a perpendicular line. From 3 dash you try to draw a perpendicular line. And this line we know very well. This line and this cutting plane will be parallel. Take your compass, measure from reference line to 1. Measure from reference line to 1. Keep your scale vertically. For the same distance you will be keeping here. So how much distance we are having here? The same distance you will be having here. You can either use your scale or compass. Then keep your compass at B, measure till 4. So keep here and try to cut an arc and mark it as 4, 1. Keep your compass at B dash and measure till 2. From here you cut an arc, that is 2, 1. 3, 1 is keep your scale from reference line and measure till 3. From here you cut an arc. So now we got 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1. Just join all the points and do hatching. Hatching is 45 degree and should be equal spacing. Later on what you need to do is try to rub the unwanted lines. Okay, try to rub the unwanted lines so that your diagram will be looking good. Height of the text is 10 mm. The heading is section of square pyramid. So it should be written with a capital letter and height of the text is 10 mm. Below you will be having 2 lines. All dimensions are in mm and scale 1:1. Height of the text here is 5 mm. Use a pro circle and put the question number. For putting the border from left 20, from left 20 mm, top 10 mm, right side 10 mm, bottom 10 mm. Try to draw the border for the diagram with your HB pencil. This is the way you need to present your diagram. And if you present your diagram neatly means then you can easily get full 20 marks. I hope so everything will be very clear for you. In case if you have any doubt means just type in the comment section so that I can clarify all your doubts. In case if you want us to make a particular topic or a particular problem means you just type in the comment section so that we will be uploading videos on those topics. So thanks for watching this video and do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivator and stay tuned with the channel, and we will be bringing all engineering graphics videos to your doorstep. It will be very easy for you. If you feel this video is useful means kindly share with your classmates and all first year students so that they will be getting benefited. So stay tuned with our channel and we will be uploading all types of videos. Thanks for watching this video. Also watch other playlists so that it will be easy and useful for you. Have a great day.